Meet the HelloBaby 6 Video Baby Monitor with a large 6-inch IPS display, remote pan and tilt, and two-way talk. Stay connected with clear video, night vision, and a secure no Wi-Fi connection. What's in the box? In the box, you will find the HelloBaby 6 Video Baby Monitor, power adapter, baby units, cameras, wall mounting screws, and user manual. Product overview. How to set up. For the best viewing angle, mount the HelloBaby video monitor camera on a wall using the included wall bracket, screws, and anchors. Choose a location that provides a full view of your baby's crib while keeping the camera and power cable safely out of your child's reach. Secure the bracket firmly, attach the camera, and adjust its angle until the entire crib is visible on the parent unit's screen. Finally, tidy and secure the power cable, then power on the camera to confirm a clear and stable video feed. Smart features? Core security is 100% secure with 2.4 GHz FHSS technology, ensuring a stable, interference-free connection, no Wi-Fi or app needed. Clear Vision 6-inch IPS display for a large, comfortable view with vibrant color, ideal for reducing eye strain and immersive monitoring. Flexible viewing 355-degree pan, 120-degree tilt, and wide-angle lens for full room coverage with no blind spots. Night vision and communication. Infrared night vision for clear viewing in the dark, with real-time two-way audio for easy communication with your baby. Smart features room temperature monitor, lullabies, sound indicator, and the ability to add up to 2 cameras with split screen for comprehensive monitoring. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your HelloBaby 6 Video Baby Monitor. See you at the next.